my favorite smoker I've actually ever cooked on. 1,000 gallon smoker. You see all the smokers here in Texas are reused propane tanks. So this cooking chamber is a 1,000 gallon propane tank, and this is a 250 gallon propane tank. And this is where we build our fire right here. We use oak wood. Oak wood is one of Texas blessings. In Egypt, we import oak to make furniture. So you can imagine how people think I'm crazy burning oak here for barbecues. So what we have here. These are lamb bacon ribs. Really nice and fatty on the belly fat over here. Over here you see the kofta skewers. This is our hot side of the smoker, so we like to cook our kofta. Over here we got our pomegranate pork ribs. As you can see, they are dry rubbed right now with coriander and fenugreek and oregano. In a minute, here maybe in an hour, we're gonna wrap them and then unwrap them, and this is what they're gonna look like after they're glazed in our pomegranate barbecue sauce. By the meat case, and I saw this beautiful small, the one that I found in Walmart, and I saw it and I thought it was beautiful, and I got it. I had my smoker going, put it on the smoker and tried it. How fatty and tough and hard to cook, but yeah, it has a lot of collagen. After it's cooked, it renders down. That's why it needs a lot of low and slow cooking. You can see this is the lean, this is the moist. It's really a cut that is, it's like they call it brisket is king. So I'm chopping now the brisket. I like to have for our rice bowl, I like to have a little bit of bark, a little bit of lean, a little bit of moist, a little bit of everything in the rice bowl. So this chop there, right here for the line. This is it over. This is our baladi salad. This is a salad that you'll see on the table, almost breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Just cumin, salt, and vinegar is in the dressing. This is our buttermilk potato salad with beets. Classic Mexican flavor, but just a little bit of beet puree to make it look pink. This is a spicy mint chimichurri. It's not Egyptian or Argentinian, but it goes really well with all of our lamb.
Pero vele de qué más necesita, más pequeños. Aguanta.
Well, we have a whole thing of dress salad in here.
Alright, so we're gonna cut our lamb chops here.
Wherever I was standing, I would hold it like this.
This is our kofta.
Nice. I got you there. People love that.
We decided to tie it like all around 360.
At least 30 people loved it. At least.
Well, I was the
Mediterranean pork sausage, homemade.
Oh, I'm sure they do. I'm sure they like it.
Our baladi salad over there. This is tahini sauce. Goes really well with brisket. We eat it with barbecue, seafood. These are candied nuts that we toast and cook with butter and sugar and cinnamon. Goes right on top. All the lamb with dokka, which is an Egyptian spiced nut mix. And then here pomegranate barbecue sauce, garlic yogurt sauce, fresh dill. Goes really well with the kofta. And lastly, we have the tahini sauce. Over on the pork ribs here, we go and dust it with the za'atar. And there you have it.